කවුරු හරි එළියේ ඉන්නවා. මට ඇහෙනවා. දොර අරින්න එපා.
Most people look at these clips and see magic.
You told
They
them.
see a soul in the eyes. They feel the weight of a human breath. They think the machine just got lucky. But you aren't most people. You're a director. And in 2026, we don't gamble with prompts. We engineer emotion. We are moving beyond the prompt and into the performance.
You've done. Sit down. We aren't finished.
Ayubuan, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my masterclass. Today, I will teach you 16 powerful hacks to make consistent, realistic characters that breathe. And we're going to do it on Google Veo. First, I want you to think about your favorite movies for a second. Why do they feel so real? It's not just the big explosions or the script. It's the tiny things. It's the way a character takes a breath before they scream. It's that half-second hesitation before they tell a lie. In the film world, we call this performance. But I'm here to tell you, if you can't do it again on purpose, you aren't the director. You're just a passenger. Those human accidents you see, they aren't accidents. They are code, hidden triggers built into the very DNA of the model. Today, in year 2026, I'm going to give you the secret, or hacks, that will transform your AI creativity forever. That you will begin to create AI characters that breathe. To be exact, there are 16 powerful yet simple keyboard hacks that Google Veo has been keeping close to its chest. By the end of this video, you won't just be making AI videos, you'll be engineering human emotion. Let's start with the basics. The machine reads punctuation as physical direction. If you ignore the grammar, you get a mannequin. If you use the control list, you get an actor. Here is exactly how to prompt it and exactly what to watch for. First, the drift. You want a character to think? Use the ellipsis.
Wait, I'm trying to remember where I left it.
Watch the eyes. They drift away from the camera lens, searching the room. That is the ellipsis at work.
Next, the inquiry. Don't just ask, demand an answer.
Do you really think that's the best way?
Notice the second question mark. It triggers a clear head tilt or a raised eyebrow. Skepticism, encoded. Pacing is everything. The comma is your beat.
First, we stay calm. Then, we find a solution.
See that micro blink during the pause? That subtle shift in the head. That is the difference between reading text and thinking it. Authority. When you need to shut the door.
The decision is final. No more talking.
Watch the face lock into a neutral, firm position immediately after the word final. The period ends the negotiation. Interruption. Chaos. The M dash.
I thought we were... No, never mind.
An abrupt jerk in the head. The mouth stops mid-shape. It's a physical glitch in the thought process. Perfection is boring. We need hesitation.
It's...
a bit more complicated than that. Realistic mouth hesitation. And notice the It locks the British accent. It stops the voice drifting across the Atlantic. Aggression.
I told you to wait in the car!
A sharp, aggressive, forward nod on the word wait. Exhaustion.
It has been a very long day at the office.
Watch the shoulders drop. The chest deflates. The weight of the world visible in the geometry of the body. Anticipation.
Let's take it from the top one more time.
Let's take it from the chest expansion. Shoulders rise before the first word is even spoken. It makes the character feel alive. And finally, joy.
Did you see the size of his? You can't be serious about that.
And finally, joy. Look at the eyes. The crow's feet crinkle. The cheeks shift upward. It's not just sound, it's physiology. Okay, guys, those are my 10 absolute prosody controls. Now we move on to the last 6. I call them the director's secrets.
Wait, you actually went back there alone after I told you it was dodgy? Are you out of your mind?
The stacked question marks force an aggressive head tilt and eye squint, breaking the character's resting state.
I told you to stay in the car! Why is that so hard for you to understand?
The exclamation marks act as a physics multiplier, snapping the character toward the lens with violent speed.
I haven't seen that look in your eyes since the day we left the Outback, Jay. 6 years ago, prior.
This forces the AI to hold the final frame in total silence, creating a powerful, lingering emotional connection.
I'm dreadfully sorry, officer. I didn't see the light change, Hoy. I was distracted.
The double dash triggers involuntary twitches in the mouth and eyes, simulating a genuine human breakdown.
Right, let's get down to business. We don't have much time.
This silent command brains the AI's idle loop, making the character appear to wake up and take charge.
I went to the warehouse, I saw the crates, and then I realized we had been set up.
The mid-sentence breath kills the robotic AI cadence by forcing a natural human reset of the lungs. Gentlemen, that's all for today in this masterclass. If you've made it this far, you've stopped being a user and started being a director. These 16 hacks are the difference between a robotic generation and a cinematic performance. In 2026, absolute realism isn't a secret anymore. It's a technical skill. Don't just take my word for it. Go to Google right now and search for linguistic prosody. See the science for yourself. Then come back here and tell me which director's code changed your workflow. Now, if you think I have taught you something worth today, make sure to subscribe to the Sinhala AI Art Society. We aren't just making videos here, we are engineering emotion. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Go direct.